Hi, my name is Dr. Jim, and today I'm going to be talking about what is that popping sound when we do an adjustment. All right, so we're going to delve right into why there's a sound when we do adjustments. All right, so before I get too far though, I want to do a little bit of anatomy just so you guys can understand what is going on here. So to form a joint, two bones come together, and when the two bones come together, what happens is there's a capsule that surrounds the two bones, and on top of the capsule there's ligaments that holds that capsule together, and inside that capsule is fluid. Now this fluid is kind of thick fluid, and it allows the lubrication between the two bones, allows it to move back and forth, side to side, twist and turn upon each other. So that is pretty much the basic concept of what a joint is. So when we put pressure, or when we pull the two bones apart, or when we do an adjustment, in this case, what we do is we create a pressure. We create pressure inside the synovial joint, and there needs to be more space. So in order for more space to be created, what happens is the fluid inside, they turn into gas bubble. This is called cavitation, by the way. And when they turn to air bubble, what happens is you hear that cracking sound. So an example of that, let's just say my two hands are the ends of the bone, right? So if I press them together, and this is the synovial capsule, right? And then my two palm, I'm gonna trap some air in between, and that's gonna signify the fluid inside. So when I pull them apart, hopefully this works, that's what you hear. That's essentially what's happening when we do an adjustment. So when we do an adjustment, we are not, and you hear that sound, we're not breaking bones, we're not sharing bones. This is just the gas bubbles forming. So with this, what happens is you get three things that can occur when the adjustment happens, right? So first thing is you have more range of motion after the adjustment, or after the cavitation. So because now there's more space in between the two joints, and they're more freely movable. Second thing is the muscles surrounding the joint. Let's say, for example, in your neck, though it helps release tension of the muscle. And then the third thing is there's going to be decrease in irritation of the nerves. So the nerves come out of come out, and they go past the joint. And if the joint is restricted, not moving much, a lot of times there's inflammation in that area, and that can cause some pressure to the nerve, and that causes irritation. Now with more space, now the nerve is more free of that irritation. All right, deep breath. Oh, yeah. Thank you for watching. If you like the content, and if you enjoyed the information that I've given you here, please like, subscribe, and share my channel. I appreciate it. And until I see you guys again, take care.